Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video, we will cover the syllabus of the Cisco, supporting Cisco routing and switching network devices, also known as RSTECH, and understand what each domain entails and what topics to focus on while preparing for this exam. The exam is divided into 4 domains, with the first domain, Cisco Telepresence System Operation and Troubleshooting, carrying the most weight at 35%. Followed by Cisco Telepresence System Hardware and Installation at 25%, then Cisco Telepresence System Fundamentals at 21%, and finally, Cisco Telepresence System Management at 19%. The first domain, Cisco Telepresence System Operation and Troubleshooting, is focused on performance monitoring, system diagnostics, and issue resolution. It's quite a challenging domain, requiring around 30 hours of learning time and will be assessed through hands-on and conceptual questions. It's divided into 2 main topics: software maintenance and upgrades, and diagnostic tools and system logs. You'll learn how to perform software upgrades and downgrades, manage file transfers using SCP and FTP, and utilize built-in diagnostic test tools to capture and download system log files. In the software maintenance and upgrades topic, you'll learn how to verify software version compatibility, identify appropriate software release notes, and monitor upgrade progress and status. This is crucial for ensuring the smooth operation of the telepresence system. In the diagnostic tools and system logs topic, you'll understand how to analyze call setup and teardown logs, interpret LED status indicators on hardware, troubleshoot audio and video quality issues, analyze packet loss and jitter metrics, and identify hardware component failures. These are essential skills for any telepresence system administrator. Moving on to the second domain, Cisco Telepresence System Hardware and Installation. This domain focuses on physical assembly, component identification, and connectivity, making up 25% of the exam. It's assessed through hands-on and conceptual questions and requires around 25 hours of learning time. This domain is divided into 2 topics: physical environment and assembly, and system hardware components. In the physical environment and assembly topic, you'll learn how to evaluate room lighting and acoustics, follow physical installation safety procedures, assemble system mounting hardware, and position cameras for optimal viewing angles.